You don't fear no hand.
I love the correction. I love the correction. So what's good? What's good, Rastafari?
We there, sunshine there, I'm there, yard, I reason with you in England. And all the place stay cold. We have sun out here, wind blow nice, nice vibes. Just a bit some coconut.
No, I'm not too like either. That's all made me get jealous right now.
No, you have to burn off the part there, I'm forward, yeah. Jealousy I go.
Where jealousy I go. But what's been good with you on the music? Because you've been doing crazy things for the last couple of years. And your new track now, My City, is just premiered just now on Flames Radio. And it's been doing great things so far. Because we've been watching your space. And you've been doing a lot of things. Yes, we played it earlier on today.
Yeah, respect that. You know, my song that, you know. I love that song, man. That song, yeah, my personal song, you know.
What's so
Everybody say, Rastafari, we are a big song, you know, we play a big song, but you see, My City now, it's personal to me, you know.
Why is that so personal?
Because that is what made me.
Okay.
Dre Island, that is what made me, Andre Johnson, the man where everybody love today, you know.
So is the song basically talking about your upcoming as a person before music? Explain it to me.
Things have, it's just a part, because remember now, you have We Pray, they have My City, and it's all a part of the project Now I Rise.
Yeah.
So all of that is a journey. So that part now is a part that I saw in my community growing up. I live on Reddings Road for 25 years in Kingston, Jamaica. Reddings Road.
Yes, because I know Reddings Road is where this is very famous for quite a few artists as well. Because I know that a lot of the 90s artists came out of, there's a studio there.
Daddy Lizard,
yes.
You have Daddy Lizard, you have Flower Gun, you have Red Dragon, you have Buju Banton
from the same era. The whole Penthouse crew was basically from that side. Because I remember growing up and listening to music from that your era of where you grew up in, and it was like something else.
Sanchez, Gregory Isaac,
yes,
all massive. Yeah, man.
So what was it for you?
Bro, you know?
So how was it for you as a child growing up, seeing all these influences? Were you directly influenced by these artists passing through your community daily?
Well, definitely. I would have to say all of them do play a part and influence who I am today, because I saw them, I heard them, you know. I had to live amongst them, I had to live with them. You know what I'm saying? And I had one of the best youthful life growing up, I would say, you know. I have no regrets. I would do it all over again, you know, same thing all over again, because look at me now.
Yes.
You know, so I would be ungrateful to say I don't like it or they didn't influence her. Of course, all of them played a part on who Dre Island is today.
But definitely. But you are, the name Dre Island sounds like it's been around forever. Well, recently did some research on you. Realized that you're not over 30-year-old yet.
No, I'm not over 30-year-old. And actually, I just started singing 2013. Well, I started writing 2012, but 2013, me really know say, you can do this, you know, go and sing, and then I never realized that it was bigger than even me just being an artist or me just saying, well, you can't sing, you know. It was just grooming I for this day, because it's only Jah works. I don't take credit for none of this, you know.
Because I realized that, and I've read somewhere that you were not actually into singing in the first place. You're more into the production side of things.
Definitely, that's what my passion was, you know. That's what I love, you know. I started to play the piano at 3, grew up all my life, went to piano lessons. You know, a Main Street studio where I had Danny Brown, general degree, Markai, Goofy, all of them. You know, they were just like 3 blocks from where I live, and I used to go in the studio and just love the whole vibes of the engineer, the producer, you know, the production part of it, the making of the music. That's what I love more than I never went through high school like the rest of my friends and a DJ in a school, and I never know all of this.
You didn't know, you were just more into the
we were always musically inclined, but if I sit here and tell you, oh, me the want to be an artist, and me always know that's a lie.
That's definitely, because most of us growing up in the Caribbean, we are always influenced by the lead artists, such as like Bounty Killer was a big influence on me. liking music and liking dancehall music. So for an artist to be taking up the craft, I would think that you'll be more looking up to as a Rastafarian yourself, looking to previous successes before you, like say Bob Marley, Peter Touch. But it's surprising to know that you were not looking at it from that side. You were more into, say, a Sly and Robbie Dunbar look at things, more making the beat and making the music.
Yes, that was more of my passion, King James then used to do it, me I say.
It was
and of course, you see, because Jamaica is powerful,
Very
powerful, very influential, So you see me just living in Jamaica in the garrison.
Yes.
Even if my household is Christian and them don't want to play this type of music, just as when the soundbox used to string up.
Yes.
And that big column, I have to hear it. It have play on my subconscious mind from when I was a kid. My next door neighbor, when them turn up for them box, I have to hear it.
You have to hear it.
So it all shaped. And when I went to school, when I went out in the community playing with my friends, growing up, everything played a part, And I couldn't run from it.
You couldn't.
What I say? No, we can't run from it. We are Jamaican. That is we deal with vibration. We are the ones who deal with things from our heart.
Definitely.
That's why we're artistic. You see what I say?
That's right. But people been saying that you are amongst the recent resurgence of reggae music. Do you think that it has been lost, the love for the roots rock reggae, or you think that people just lost their way? Or was it the music went astray? Because you, Chronix, Kabaka Pyramid, Protege, Janine, was like a new crop that just refreshed the whole thing. What's your take on this?
As I said before, it was just Jah work. Jah was always grooming all of us for this day, because if you check all of us background, most of us are from the church. None of us had Rasta in our family who were the main influence over us, where we went to and see every day when we go up.
Yeah.
And if you ask one from the communities where we grew up, they would say, no, we never expect this from them youth. You know what I say? So it was just ordained by Jah, and I can only be happy that there's this love and unity and joy among all of us.
Yeah.
And it's just keep on strengthening with one another. So because if we're not growing, that means something is wrong.
Definitely.
And if we're not growing the right way, that means something is definitely wrong.
Something is definitely wrong. But
so we just have to know if we keep a level head, don't get carried away, and always remember the mission. Because it's not the music never die. You always have Sizzla Kalonji, you always have Cape and the Fireman. I say Damian Marley, Stephen Marley.
Yeah.
The music never die. And them a giant Buju Banton. You see what I say? I'm a living legend right now. And it's just for us to maintain and to rejuvenate the heart and mind and soul of the people.
That's right.
Because I feel it's the people them they lose consciousness. You can't blame them, because it's just how Babylon created it. That's what they want.
That's my take on it as well, because people have been saying that
they know the way, they know how to do it, whether it's by media, whether it's by the alcohol, whether it's by party, whether it's by, they know how to change the focus or try manipulate the ones in mind.
I can see that.
Stress out the people so them lose focus. But I forward to remind people to feed focus and stop distraction.
That's right. What was your main how could you describe your feeling when you realized that Junior Gang won the Grammy and Chronix was such a close friend to you? And I know that you're very close with the Gang family because you have some relation with them as well. But you were very close, personal friendship with Chronix. How was the feeling there when you found out that Chronix lost but Junior Gang won? How did you describe your feeling then?
My feeling then is not how you would explain it just now, because nobody lost in my eyes right there. You know what I say?
Yes.
It was all joy from the get-go, just to see Chronix's name up on the what you call it now, nominees.
The nominations.
We see Chronology album up there, so that are the greatest joy.
Yes.
You see me I say? But let me tell you this. maximum respect to Damien Junior Gang Marley. Cause here I know you see that album from me.
Yeah.
It speak life.
It definitely does. Because there's a lot.
You see me I say, Chronic's album speak life, but I see growth in Gang, the works, everything. It was for me. It was like wow. Me I say like man, respect. The people shouldn't be even a question. I try compare the man them. Me I say because a Rastafari. You see me I say, and Rastafari chose all of us to carry out his works. So there's no comparison, I feel. You see me I say, and if one's really pre, nobody lost.
Nobody lost. The music won. The reggae music won.
You see me I say, J-Boog, everybody was just a great joy and a great feeling for I and Jamaica too. You have ones who they carry away and that, but that's just a few. We don't really watch that because amongst I peers. Yeah. And where I community and the people in my villages is just joy. Come like you see both run through the Olympic finals and you see the other two Jamaican them run through second and third.
Same way, same so.
Yes, man.
So it's all joy and love for that. But
yes, man.
You came last year. Was it last year the song was released? We Pray. Let's talk about that one because this song
We Pray.
It's broken loads of barriers. It's the only song that it plays on the main stage. It plays into any nook and cranny, any farmer dance hall they go, any reggae party, any corporate party you can play and people can relate to it.
Fam, I see that song. I get videos with that song playing in churches.
That's what I'm saying. It's breaking boundaries where the song is some places that you'll not think that the song is going to be played. It's played there and it's accepted. Christians accept it because of the message into the song, and it's not a religious song. Let me say that it's not a religious song, but
no, because that was the whole thing of it too. We never personalize it because at the end of the day, everybody pray.
Talk us through the making of that song. Was he just decided to say, all right, let's ring Popcorn to just voice a song with Popcorn? Or was it a planned project?
No, it was never a planned project. It was more of, me and Popcorn, big up Popcorn, Andre Usalan and Uli Boss. Anyway, they are the world.
Anyway.
It's my brother that, in real life, like as Chronics. You see me I say? Popcorn now, I the one now. Always.
Yeah, continue. Sorry about that. We just had the time segment.
So, yo, Farai, you're talented, different. Blood, you're talented, different. Like when him talk, like him don't know what to say, but he must say, yo, fam, we need to do work, we need to do some work together, we need to put out work, yo, you need to out there. I mean, I say, fam, time. Because me is a man, me already realize that Jah works. It's not of me. So me only have to do it by Jah and keep on working hard, working smart with my teeth. Anyway, we forward now the 29th of December.
Yeah.
28th of December. I have put it from this 2016.
Yeah.
Popcorn go in the studio and call me and I couldn't go me have a photo shoot for the day and a video shoot.
Yeah.
Him call me the next day. And say for my 5 song my voice yesterday, always a joyful youth.
Yes.
You know me I say? 5 song my voice, yo, forward me, I got a studio today, forward and listen to them. I never have nothing to do that day, the 29th. That remember I'm coming the 28th.
Yeah.
December 2016. The 29th now. I went to Bojo Studio and Reddy's Road. Marcus married. We forward and we go link Marcus. I was there with a giant Poppy voice. 4 songs.
The same
again.
Time.
So that was 5 the day before and 4 songs. I look for a youth and I say, your brother, yeah, that about me talented. You have one different type of talent because it was 4 songs that connected.
Yeah.
2 of them on the hanging tree, one with Jaffa Squadder and
and it was all hits.
And the one that he did by himself, all of them was in that time period.
See.
He voiced 4 songs for Marcus that time period and he did 2 international collab. And when he voiced the 4 songs them on that 29 of December, he might go in now. The car turn and we are leave. Me too. Like a man just say, where you go? We pray. I'm going to say, fam, say, I have a song from a voice, from a beat, because I was the one who built that rhythm.
Yeah.
I produced that rhythm. And I said my voice a song, we build a rhythm for it. I build a rhythm and voice song, and from my voice, from me start building rhythm, I use me here. I must say which song, I say we pray, and him laugh. And say, yo, Marcus have it in the studio. And I say, yeah, I'm supposed to have it to play now. He won't go inside. But I'm just leaving him. Tired, you know. Yeah. Tired, man. It's not just a leave him. Man walk go in the studio and say, I hit this. And the man turned to me and say, fam, that song is big. With or without me, brother.
Yeah.
And I say, yeah. He say, me know. So just imagine when you go up on the track, it only have a bigger and laugh. I say it's real. I walk around and the boat. Same time, it's not very state. And it's less than 30 minutes. You get blessing off the flow and the prayer gone up.
And simple as that, and it was a hit. And the rest
it wasn't that, it might sound as simple, but alive, enough we got through, enough. So it's my story, theme story, me, so
and we know the energy, and the energy is definitely there. Because people feel feel the love when the song plays, and we are definitely looking for you to be here in the UK soon to be doing all these tracks, because we haven't seen you here for a while. There was a show that I seen. Were you here last year?
No, last time I performed in the UK.
Yeah,
was 2016. Where I did the what you call it now?
The festival, yeah.
Carnival, Notting Hill Carnival.
Yeah. That's time flies so fast.
Georgia Smith. We were promoting the song that we released that year. People, yes. Produced by Cadenza.
Yeah. So when are you coming back to the UK? When are you going to be coming back to the UK?
Well, I look forward for the UK this 2018, because we are forward to promote the project. Now I Rise.
Yep.
So may I say, I 11 track.
Yes.
Might add an next track on it. So we are forward with 11 solid track, and it's Now I Rise, it's a rise not just for me but for everyone. So we don't put no language in it, we don't put no race in it, we don't put no religion in it.
And that's
put humanity in it,
and that's
put
the name
life in it.
That's the name of the project, right?
Now I Rise.
Now I Rise. And the release date there's a release date for it?
There's not an official release date, but it is due late May to the first week of June. First half of June, I should say. Okay. Definitely
this week. But Dre Island, we like to keep you on here, but the producers are looking at me like you've gone way overboard. And we had to be keeping it, because definitely the message that you bring.
Bless up the whole administrative staff and the whole family. The things said, bless up the whole UK.
Definitely. Can you just give us an introduction for this song that we're going to be playing again one more time for you? The song is called My City. Just introduce for us right here. We'll just take it to a break for us, please.
Me from a place which part them bus rifle with the scope at top, and head with me like a coconut, and left your car them on your wall them favor polka dot. Me from a city where a Becky is a coca drop. And politicians every day them import a strap, and them not care about the issues where the voters got. A beer mischief and a villain in a coat and knock. Me from a place to love is sweet and give you heart attack. Oh my lord, them big rose gold up your fat. Wrong gangster neck them money taller than Oprah stock. Yes, from a place to them say melt when the popa chat, and high grade trees are blow. Yes, in my city, call Kingston City, oh Lord, in my city, that's Kingston City, and you're listening from that city, call London City, oh yeah, yes, in my city, J. Allen said that.
Respect, man. Thank you very much for talking to us today on Flames Radio, the Upnlive Dre Allen. Respect, man. So we'll be looking for you to see you in the UK soon. This is a brand new song. It's called My City. Remember, you heard it first right here in the Upnlive on Flames Radio. Keep it locked.